Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today the topic of our discussion is the 5 generations of computer. Generations of computer. The computer has evolved from a large-sized computer calculating machine to a smaller but much more powerful machine. The evolution of computer to the current state is defined in terms of generations of computer. Each generation of computer is designed based on a new technological development, resulting in better, cheaper, and smaller computers that are more powerful, faster, and efficient than others. Currently, there are 5 generations of computer. In the following subsections, we will discuss the generations of computer in the term of technology used in their hardware and software. First generation of computer. The first generation of computer was used in 1940 to 1946. The first computer used vacuum tubes for magnetic drums for memory. They were often taking up entire room. First generation computers relied on the machine language. They were very expensive to operate, and in addition to using a great deal of electricity, generated a lot of heat. The UNIVAC and ENIAC computers are example of first generation computing devices. Advantages of first generation computers: it was only electronic device. It was the first device which hold memory. Disadvantages: too badly large in size. Vacuum tubes burned frequently. They were producing a lot of heat and maintenance problems. The next is second generation computers. Was used in 1956 to 1963. Transistors replaced vacuum tubes in second generations of computers. Second generation computers moved from cryptic binary machine language to symbolic. High-level programming languages were also being developed at this time, such as early variants of COBOL and Fortran. These were also the first computers that stored their instructions in their memory. The second generation's computers have different advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are size reduced. They were fast, very much reliable. Disadvantages are they overheated quickly, maintenance problem. The next one is third generation's computer. These were used from 1964 to 1971. The development of integrated circuit was the third generations of computer. Transistors were minimized and placed on silicon chips, which are called semiconductors. Instead of punch cards and printouts, users interact with third generation computers through keyboards and monitors and interfaced with an operating system. Allowed the device to run many different applications at one time. The advantages are ICs are very small in size, improved performance, production cost cheap. The disadvantage is ICs are sophisticated. The next is fourth generation's computer, which were used from 1971, and we are still using the fourth generation computers. The microprocessor brought up the fourth generations of computer as thousands of integrated circuits were built onto a single silicon chip. From a central processing unit and memory to input-output controls on a single silicon chip. Fifth generation computers. Fifth generation computing devices based on artificial intelligence. These are in still development, though there are some applications such as voice recognition and sensor etc. The goal of fifth generation computing is to develop devices that respond to a natural language input and are capable of learning and self-organization.